In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Video Editor step by step. If you want a simple way to edit videos without installing heavy software, Canva is a great option. It works right in your browser and gives you an easy drag and drop workspace for creating promotional videos, social content, presentations, and more. In this guide, I'll walk you through the core workflow so you can start editing smoothly and confidently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once the homepage loads and you're in your account dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you'll start a new video project and open Canva's editing workspace. After clicking Create a Design, a menu will appear with different project types. Choose the format that matches where your video will be published. If you want a standard widescreen video for platforms like YouTube or presentations, select Video 16.9. If you're creating something for mobile viewing, such as stories or vertical social content, choose Mobile Video 916. Picking the correct format at the start helps your video fit properly on the screen you're designing for. Once your blank project opens, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Uploads. Then select Upload Files and choose the video, audio, or media files you want to use, such as MP4, MOV, or MP3 files. When the upload is finished, click and hold your uploaded video thumbnail. Drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen and release it. Canva will place the clip into your project so you can begin editing. Next, let's trim and organize your footage. Move the playhead on the timeline to the exact point where you want to cut your clip. Then right-click the clip and choose Split Page, or press the S key on your keyboard. This separates the clip into two parts. If there's a section you don't need, click it and delete it. This is a quick way to remove unwanted footage and tighten the pacing of your video. To make scene changes feel smoother, click the small area between clips and open the Transitions option. From there, choose a style like Dissolve, Match and Move, or Slide. These can help your video feel more polished. You can also go to Text on the left panel, add a text box to your canvas, type your message, and use Animate from the top toolbar to give your text some movement. When everything looks good, preview your video by pressing the spacebar and watching it from start to finish. This final check helps you catch timing issues and make sure your text and graphics are aligned properly. When you're ready to export, click Share in the top right corner. Then Download. Choose MP4 video, set the quality to the highest resolution you want, and click Download.